Okay, friends, welcome, and we are going to see how this AI, artificial intelligence, is going to destroy the civil engineer's job. Not only civil engineering, it is also going to extinct all those mechanical engineering and all those things. This may sounds like a science fiction, but this is going to happen. I'm not really accurate about what is going to happen now. You can't say this is completely going to change, but this will be a very drastic change in every field. Okay, let's see. So in order to draw a plan, so you see this girl, and she's not any kind of Indian type of girl. She's from a web series called Stranger Things, and we have just made an Indian version of her. So I'm just pasting this. So I'm just asking to the artificial intelligence algorithm, can you just make me an isometric view of house, and I want you to make it, okay, of an house, and I want you to make it fast. Okay, so I'm making it with just about 20 to 30 seconds, and I'm going to render it within 10 seconds or something. Okay, within 30 seconds or something. So when this happens, you have to remember that this will surely take all those jobs. Okay, so let's get to our point. Okay, so what could be the result of these things? So you can generate a floor plan out of these things. You can also generate lots of kinds of engineering plans where you can go and give it to the client without any 3D Max or Maya or any rendering. You can start doing it. You can give a rough sketch, and after giving a rough sketch, what will happen is that it will just surely make a rendered house. Okay, it is so amazing to see that. So let's see how this is going to change, and I will also show you how to make floor plans. And as you can see here, it has made a 3D isometric view. So it has made a 3D isometric view of this plan, and it is so great to know that how it has been done. So it is very easy. Just you have to copy the text. Okay, sir. What about creating a plan? So I'm taking this. I'm going to create an architectural plan. So I'm taking this. So it is only that you have to give whether it is a flame render or Unreal Engine or anything. Okay. So I'm giving this again. Okay. So go here and just paste it. So let me reduce the runtime because I don't have any credits. Okay, it's already there. So you have 3 credits over here. It is 3 credits for this. I only need a single image. It is about 1:1. Okay, it's a floor plan. So create it with 3 credits. No, I don't need 3 credits. So I'm just doing it with 1 credit. Okay, let it create. So the next thing would be I need a very detailed one. Okay, so you can just really do a wonder out of these things. So I need a very cool plan now. So I'm taking this and I'm just creating it here. Okay, you can go to this website, Night Cafe Stable Diffusion. If you type it in Google, it will come. I will give you the link in the description. So I need a very cool house, and I need it to be very accurate and all those things. So I'm giving it a runtime now. Okay, let's see. See how wonderfully it has created. See how wonderfully it has created. So this would be the end of all those things, because it can also be controlled by text. Okay, so this would be a very great one, and it has also created a render image like these things. So thank you. So beware of the artificial intelligence algorithm. This is a generative adversarial like generating images using text by transformers. So let's see. Only the sky is the limit. The possibilities are endless.